The lit starter kit is literally like this, right? So understand the overall cycle of the internal plays. Of course, you have this external inducement in here. Best case, again, if the lower time frames look like this, you have this internal break of structure in here, mitigates after the inducement of London Open. Then, of course, makes this bigger internal break of structure. So now this becomes valid as well. And now see the internal inducement, building up liquidity. This by itself is the inducement. But what does a bigger picture do? Mitigates the overall area. And of course, this becomes a smart money trap because again, we expect the liquidity to be taken out. In this case, Asia highs even being an equal highs. So makes it even more choosier place to target for. So expect the smart money trap to give the false reaction, to trick people the wrong direction. Then of course, being broken. But before they do that, they're even faking the triple bottom or triple top even once, giving a false reaction. Then of course, inducing finally. Then you can do the same thing the other direction. Is an external inducement outside of Asia range? Yeah, because as you can see, if you're just analyzing the day, this is an overall push in here, right? So this is the main push for the day. So the moment this, of course, this push gets induced, it's already an external inducement because again, the overall push for the day, which is in Asia, gets induced. But of course, we expect it even with the inducement of Asia. To push price higher, they induce low first. And vice versa, meaning if they want to go lower, they induce price high first. So again, if you just look at the random days, whatever, that's Asia range in here, gets induced low first to do what? Push price higher, getting your break of structure, creating your imbalances. That's the mitigation. We can look for more highs now. Next day, again, we will not do that for every day, but again, what do? Induce low first, mitigates this area. This is the order flow now. And of course, to do what? To go higher. And over again. I do it literally all the time. Again, if you look at the last day, why not? What do? Again, building up, inducement low of Asia range, creating this equal lows in here, induce it finally then, mitigate these areas to do what? To go higher and aim for the higher liquidity in here. It's over and over and over and over again. Again, if you look at the bigger picture, it's literally always the same. It doesn't matter when you look at charts, it's always the same. Those induce high to go lower, induce low to go higher, induce high to go lower, induce high to go lower, all the freaking time. I do it over and over again. Plus you need to see the bigger picture and see that better. Again, if you even zoom more out, it's the same thing over and over again. Right, guess what? Asia range, induce low to go higher, Asia range to go induce low to go higher, Asia range to induce low to go higher, Asia range to induce high this time to go lower, and so on and so forth. You continue it. It doesn't matter where you are. It's always the same thing. It's always the same exact thing. Just need to identify properly. Okay? So pretty much we will be like this. Remember, this is the retailers thinking like, woo, woo.